Now, if you're looking for an aesthetically pleasing all-in-one vacuum that performs better than it looks, look no further because this is the LG Quad Zero all-in-one tower that makes cleaning as easy as A, B, and C. So what is an all-in-one tower? Well, it is a vacuum that is the best of both worlds. It is automatic enough to make cleaning much more convenient, but still manual enough that you know that cleaning has to be done properly. And this brings me to A, which is automatic. So this is not a robot vacuum, so don't expect it to move by itself like a ghost. Instead, the automatic term refers to how after you finish cleaning, the dock that the vacuum attaches to will automatically remove the dirt from the vacuum into the bin into the dock, but be sure to actually turn it on by pressing the start and stop button on the dock for 3 seconds to set it until the auto mode light turns on. Because you know how you always tell yourself that you're gonna empty the vacuum but never actually do it until it becomes too full with the dust and rubbish? I'm sure I can't be the only one, right? Well, that is no longer something that you need to do because the dock itself does it for you. Now, the dock has 3-step filtration system to capture all the fine dust and blow out clean air so you're not breathing back the dust that you just vacuumed. It also has a UVC LED that operates for 2 hours to stop bacterial growth in the dust bag. Now, you can't see it, of course, since the magic is inside of the dock, but it is good to know that LG is literally keeping the dirt away, but definitely do not keep yourself away from liking and subscribing to this channel. Thank you very much in advance. Now, not only it sucks the dirt automatically for you, but LG gives you 3, yes, freaking 3 dust bags to use. One is already pre-installed in the dock and they give you 2 extras in the box. Now, this is definitely the most that I've seen any manufacturer give it straight to the customer, so surely kudos to LG on this. Then B stands for battery. Now, this is called the LG Quad Zero, right? Now, from the name itself, it is obvious that the vacuum is cordless. So how does it get its power then? I know, batteries. So why are batteries such a plus point in this device? Well, because they give you 2 of them.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay, I'll stop. But seriously, what's really cool about this is that one battery is attached to the vacuum while the other is stored away in the dock actively charging, which is cleverly hidden underneath the top cover. Just flip it open and you can say hello to the nice, lovely, striking yellow colored battery. So if you're doing some heavy cleaning and the battery is drained from the vacuum, just swap it out and then you have a fully charged battery again. Now, this reminds me of the good old days when phones used to have changeable batteries, right? From 0%, 3 seconds later with a full swap, ploop, back to full charge again. Don't you miss those days? Or were you even around? Let's discuss it in our community Discord server, which I'll link it down below. Alright, so each battery is rated for 60 minutes of use, which is more than decent enough for a simple cleaning session. But if that is not enough, just swap it and you have up to 120 minutes of continuous use. But if you think about it, if you put your drain battery inside and clean it using the new one, that battery will be charging, which brings me to my next point, because I don't know about you, but for me, cleaning is never about just vacuuming the whole entire time. There will be times when you're organizing and moving stuff around, right? Well, this means that during that time, you have the battery in the dock still charging. So technically, you're almost getting continuous battery nearly 24/7, as you never really run out of battery whenever you're cleaning. So for those super housewife or house husbands, woohoo! If you go at least 3.5 hours between cleaning, which is the time where you can charge one battery fully, you can swap out that battery and have a full battery again. So yeah, do the same thing again and again, and you practically have unlimited vacuum use. Cool, right? And that brings me to C. So C is not for cool, although it does look actually cool overall, but it stands for being compact. As it is compact because you have everything that you need in a vacuum tucked away in a neat package. Because if you look towards the left, there's the power drive mini head. On the right, on the outside, there's an almost invisible hook for a spot for the power drive mop, which I'll dive into deeper on each head on this usage later on in this video. And looking at the inside, there is the combination of the crevice tools. There are nozzle hooks on both sides to hang all the nozzles neatly, where this left and right door closes magnetically, so you won't have to worry about the door accidentally opening or forcing to close these compartment areas. So let's move our focus from the dock to the actual star of the show, which is the vacuum itself. Now all of the controls are accessible with a single touch of the thumb, and it uses the smart inverter motor axial turbo cyclone that can have a suction power up to 210 watts, which is plenty powerful and comes with a whooping 10-year warranty for the motor. Now inside there's a 5-step filtration system that captures all the tiniest particle even a naked eye can't see. It is also easy to remove and clean, where the cyclones and filters are washable, because remember, maintenance is key to having consistent results, because even your car needs servicing once a year. Now another neatest trick under LG's sleeve is the LG compressor technology. No, we are not talking about cars, although I mentioned about cars earlier, because this is a mechanical level at the side where you can just pull it, where it compresses the dust and dirt that you have collected, and this will effectively make the bin to have up to 2.4 times more capacity compared to not having this feature. And this is a feature every vacuum must have, and a massive credit goes to LG for coming up with this brilliant idea. Next, I want to touch on the tools that will help you with your cleaning journey when using this vacuum cleaner, which is 5 to be exact. First is the slim power drive nozzle. Now this is the general all-in-one head that you will probably use most of the time. Now this brush is also removable too for easy cleaning. Then there's the power drive mini head. Specializing in fabric surfaces like sofas and bedding, it is also very beneficial to pick up pet hair. Then there's the combination tool, which is a 2-in-1 accessory, where the soft brush is to help to loosen the dirt if needed, and the hard nozzle is better for suction. I like to use this for cleaning speakers, especially on the grills of the speakers at home. Next is the crevice tool, which is always handy for tight places such as between the cushions for sofas. And last but certainly not least is the power drive mop, where you can vacuum and mop at the same time. Now there are 3 levels of automatic water supply for you to easily adjust how much water flows out for that thorough cleaning. Then there's one more thing that I really want to mention, which is not the attachment head, but is actually the stick that attaches to the vacuum itself. At first, when I took this out from the dock, I thought to myself, so short? That's what she said. I mean, I'm not tall by any stretch, but just taking this out and just looking at the stick, I thought, this can't be this short. And then I was right, because it is actually an extendable stick that has 4 points of adjustments. Definitely great attention to detail from LG, where people from different heights can not only vacuum the floor comfortably, but people vertically challenged like me or even kids can extend it much further. So no more excuse for your kid not to vacuum the house when they created a mess, Now, if you feel that all of this info is a bit too much for you to handle, don't worry, because you can head on to our website as a recap at www.adamlobo.tv, which I'll also leave links down below. Then the final thing that I really want to mention is the ThinQ app support. Now, as you may or may not know already, especially if you're using LG products, there is the app support for this vacuum. Now with this, you can do things like monitor the vacuum, see the cleaning history, smart diagnosis, and most useful of all is the filter cleaning guide. Now I have to say that navigating through the app was simple and very straightforward indeed. Definitely one of my favorite apps for appliances. So yes, in conclusion, as seen and mentioned in this video, the LG Cod Zero All-in-One Tower is definitely one of the most versatile and also most aesthetically pleasing all-in-one vacuum cleaners that I've used so far. Now it is priced at 4,999 ringgit, made in Korea, and while some may consider the price to be quite steep, but the amount of tools that fit in a nice package like this makes it a very excellent choice for anyone who's looking for this particular type of vacuum. Plus, the 4,999 ringgit retail is just their retail price, which means that if you check LG's official retailers, there might be a slight change in the price here and there, or maybe even promotions as well. And this vacuum not only looks quite beautiful, but also has great functionality and all quality rolled into one. Now speaking of functionality and quality, if you're looking for a brand new TV, check out my review of the LG C3 TV over here.